turn off traction?
Of course I turned off traction. That's why it enables four-wheel drive sport. Let's turn the music so no copyright. Guys, welcome back to another video on To The Limit. I'll show you what it looks like in a little bit. It definitely feels like it wants to move. Police. Bro, you hear the turbo noise. Bro, it feels weird because you're sitting so high, but you hear a lot of turbo. A lot of turbo. What? My seat feels super weird though. I don't feel comfortable yet. Think it will step out? Definitely stepped out.
I told you it was saying all the points in the vehicle. I told you.
It will definitely step out. Oh, that's a little bit too late. Oh shit.
When took a lift camera on window, the thing fly out.
The what?
My phone.
Your phone? Well, I'm not too scared the phone fly out. So it's back to shift up. That's always good to know. You said the tunnel is down there?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. How are the brakes? Let's go on M driver mode. It's pretty quick. I still don't like my seating position. Driving information. What do you guys think about this car? It's the... Oh shit, the sound.
I told you said them say it's something crazy than it.
Turn on my cool seats. Turn off the AC. I should have stopped at that light, so we could have launched it. Yeah. The shift sound is sick. The sound it makes when it shifts, that's sick. There's a lot of turbo lag under 2,000 though, or like under 3,000 RPM. Like look, watch the PSI, right? I'm gonna floor it like under 3,000. You're gonna feel the lag and you're gonna feel the boost. Like I'm flooring it. You feel it when it picks up, right? So there's like a little lag. Come on guys, move up to Claro. Let's see your hands. They do shit like that, I'm looking for police behind here. Bro, the sound, it feel like it echo under the car or something. Why, seatbelt them off lock? Huh? Okay. Oh boy, opening the sunroof. Pretty decent, right? We're about to get to the tunnels, guys. This is where I wanted to take the M8, bro. This is how would you for cruise come. Slow down some. It feels like it moves around a lot though. What you guys think about this car? Sir, your gas tank is open. Would you mind to kick it out? You gonna video it?
So I'm full of Android.
Okay, 2 phones. It feels nimble. Yeah, I don't think it feels stiff at all, bro. All right, ready? No cup. Instantly got more stiff. You felt it? Instantly got more stiff. Bro, the shift sound is insane. It echoes in the car. It's like boom, just like the M4, but like more tense, more sound. See if I can pull over just so we can do a launch, bro. Come in, light change now. Go to exit. Alright. Alright, there's no cars behind us. Ready? Launch control. Ready? It felt like the brakes couldn't hold it.
It's a launch.
Yeah, it said while it was moving like that, it was saying preparing to launch. Sip it. Sip it. Sip it, Nala?
Should have been my this candle, man.
Should have been my candle.
Should have been across the road.
Oh, a Gallardo and a C806. Let's go catch him up. What do you think? The brakes are nice. Hi, officer. And a popo. Why? I look, bro, that's a Gallardo. I love Gallardos. I hope he's gonna press it through this tunnel, bro. C806, that shit looks so sick. The other one I look following. Yeah, the other one keep following every time I do it. I hope they do it. If not, look.
Just see it.
Oh, go let me hear it. Go let me hear it. Go, 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 go. Let us hear it. Let us hear it. All right, bye-bye. says his wife has an X3M. It's an SUV, right? Yeah. And then I go under it tunnel again.
Sound good, but you never open it up.
He said, hey buddy, she got an X3M competition in Dunnington Gray. I'm like, oh shit, okay. and then I say, I have 18 cars.
Except she'll pull up mine.
But he said, this is the radar, we go under it. That's him said, dog. One thing you don't hear the pops a lot. Did you the whole corner? Don't dare me no, Matthew. You can't eat that.
Can you though?
Yes, we can. We gotta pull over, bro, so you can drive.
Bro, you can't do this. You can't do this on the X. This can't be done in the X5 and X6.
I don't know. They should have 4-wheel drive sport. Do a launch control under the bridge. Yeah. Right here, see, ready? Switch. Go, 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 go. Oh shit. Go, 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 go. Jump over! Now put on seatbelt. And I'm gonna make my boy Matthew drive it, guys. You felt the turbo lap though, right? Then I'm manual. Alright, go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Guys, X3M competition. Do you know where we're going? No? Let me get the GPS. Go on, man, continue. Alright, he's off. Brother? Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's like it moves, but once it picks up boost. Under 3,000, it has no power. It has no power under 3,000. Look, before you do it, let me go on the navigation screen, this screen right here. Like, look at the power, guys. And when you're ready, Matthew, floor it under 3,000, okay?
All right.
Floor it. Look, no, and then power. Alright. Holy shit! Let me find where we're going, bruh.
It's fast and blows and I'm scared.
Take it through the corners. Ooh, the pop! Don't drip into that. wait. Oh shit! You're gonna make a right here, bro. It will step out. Flirt. Yeah! Oh, you gonna make a left, bro. Mateo. Hold on.
You got it. You go, come do it. I ain't doing that.
I thought you were gonna do it. He said, hell no, I ain't doing that. That's when I reach a bush. But you got the idea, right? Huh?
My phone. You have my phone?
Wanna get your phone outside?
Get on my phone.
It is somewhere now.
Hold on, get my camera.
Ready? You ready? This is the perfect spot, bro. You ready? Put in seatbelt quick now.
Go. What's that sound?
That's what the M8. That's what I'm saying. The M5 does it too, and this does it, and the M8 does it.
It's like a supercharger sound.
It is, bro. We gonna make a left soon. Gotta get a little bit for the Instagram. Is that another speed bump or no?
I think so.
No, it's not. How fast you guys think this is? Let's see. What?
Tires ready to drift.
Oh, I wasn't looking.
You smell it.
I smelled it too. All right. Now, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Red interior, black exterior. This car is fire. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.